Let us learn how to use the Auto Climate Control function. Click the Auto button on your climate control screen. On Auto mode, you can create up to 4 profiles according to your preference and set the target temperatures accordingly. Let us create a new profile to learn. Click on the plus icon near Auto Profile. Name a profile. For demonstration, let us name it Set for Mike. Now, let us add our preferences. I want to turn on my air condition when my room temperature is above 70 degrees. If my room temperature goes below 65 degrees, I want to switch on my heater one. So, let us select 65. Also, I want my heater 2 to be switched on if the room temperature goes below 63. That's it. The conditions are set. Click on Add. Your profile is now added. Click on the Activate button to activate your auto profile. Finally, click the Submit button. Now your auto profile will be active. You can verify that by checking the green tick mark above the auto option. Few details that you need to understand regarding auto profile. It only uses the room temperature as a target and to set the condition. All other conditions like fan and HVAC control are taken from the manual screen. Additionally, there is always a 4-degree difference in the temperature range between AC and heater. This guarantees that the heating and cooling functions cannot operate simultaneously. Thanks for watching. Enjoy smart and sustainable RV living.